Hello, welcome back to the episode on the statistics. We are on episode number 26, still familiarizing ourselves with the assumed mean principles. So we are saying that the deviation from the mean of the mean of a set of numbers are given in this, where k is a constant. We have to find the value of k if the mean deviation is what? 0. So let's begin with what the mean deviation is. We know mean deviation is equals to the summation of the deviations divided by what? The number of items involved, which is going to be what? N. Now, for this side to be 0, if this is going to be 0, so it means that only the top is going to be what? 0. And the top is actually giving us the summation of the deviations. So remember the deviation d is x minus what? The mean, either the assumed mean or the actual mean. So whatever I have here, the deviation from the mean, this is the mean. If you subtract it from the values, you'll be getting the deviation. So all these are showing the deviation. So that means that our, okay, let's say for this will be capital dx, we represent the mean deviation to be 0. It also means that the summation of the deviation, the absolute value of the deviation, will be equal to 0. And this summation is actually the deviation we are having. So that implies that our k plus 3 all squared plus k plus 7 plus k plus k plus 2 all squared minus 2 to give us what? 0. The summation, the whole of this, the top one, to give us 0. So let's see what we can do in the bracket. So here, let's expand the bracket. Remember how we expand two binomial terms. You square the first, twice their product, square the last. Meaning, square the first, k squared, twice their product, k times 3 times 2. That is 6k. Square the last term, 9. Let's bring the k, bring your 7, bring your k. The square of k will be k squared, k times 2 times 2. 4k, 2 squared, 4 minus 2. All give us what? 0. So let's group like terms. I'm seeing k squared plus k squared. That make it 2 of the k squared. So 2k squared plus, I have 6k plus 1k making 7k, making 8k, making 12k, right? So that make it 12k plus 9 plus 7, that is 16, 20 minus 2, that will be 18, equals to 0. 2 is a factor of all of them, so we divide by 2. That makes it k squared plus 6k plus 9 equals to that. Then I think if you want to use completing the square or texting whether it's a perfect square, the 3 square, it give you 9. Half of this will give you what? 3. It means it's just k plus 3 square. But let's go on. Factors of this, when add we get this will be 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 plus 3 is what? 6. So I have k plus 3, k plus 3 equals to 0. So it means that k plus 3 is 0, making k equals what? Negative 3. If you check these brackets, you still get negative 3. That is what we say is the perfect square. So it's the double of that answer. So therefore, the value of k is going to be negative what? 3. I guess if you substitute into the position, you will get your deviation values. All right. Concept is clear. Ask questions if you still have some doubts somewhere. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and share.